Hi, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new listing of ours. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. This is a two-owner boat, dry stacked its entire life, has 179 hours on it on the V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verado with power steering. Got a 9-inch Raymarine touchscreen MFD, lockable glove box with charging ports, rocker style toggle switches for pumps and lights, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and our 4-inch Mercury vessel view display. We have our trim tabs with LED indicators that show where the tabs are positioned. We've got a vinyl wrapped steering wheel on a tilt base. Great lounge space on the 240 Dauntless. You got a ton of room to stretch out. Anyone who's well over 6 feet tall can comfortably lounge. You got grab rails here for safety. Cup holders conveniently located and a stereo remote as well. Beneath all of these cushions, we do have a nice flat casting platform with non-skid. There's storage beneath all three of these seats, and these backrests also drop down. So if you want to get these cushions out of the way and fish this boat, you can easily do so with a lot of real estate up here to walk around safely and comfortably. We've got our anchor locker here forward. Fiberglass hardtop above with overhead lighting and rocket launcher style rod holders on the back. We've got a forward console seat here with a nice high backrest, cup holders, rod holders on either side, and we do have a live well on board beneath this seat. Come around to the head. This is a pump out porta potty, so it is plumbed. Also got the bow table option on this boat that you can see is mounted inside the head there, but a lot of great storage inside that space. Got JL audio speakers with that Fusion sound system. And now we'll check out the back of the boat. So here at the transom, on our helm seat here, we do have an adjustable leaning post, so you can sit to face aft or create more of a leaning post setup. You have storage beneath the helm seat here that is drained. Great for keeping lines if you want to have them out of the way. We've got a slide out igloo cooler here. Big casting platform in the back, angled swim platforms away from the motor for safety with a reboarding ladder to the starboard side. We've got rod holders and cup holders here. Huge stern seat. You could probably seat 4 adults, easily 3. Super high backrest, very comfortable. And you have great storage beneath, along with dedicated storage for your ski pole. There is a freshwater sprayer as you enter the cockpit here on the starboard side. And again, we've got our V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. That's the 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engine with the top cowling service door, so you can check or add to your oil and remove the whole cowling with that one lever there. Great boat for Charleston. This has been one of the more popular models for our area. It's kind of a do everything type boat for our waters. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other listings, 843-747-1889 is the number to call. And be sure to check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.